Today I will be building one of the best budget keyboards for your money. I hope you enjoy the video. The case I will be using is a CIY Tester 68. In the box they give you test switches, a keycap puller, and a paintbrush.
Nice.
The reason why I chose this keyboard was because of its value. For only $38, you get a steel plate, a very nice piece of silicone that sits in between the plate and the PCB. And it also comes with a piece of foam, but I did add some felt because the foam was lackluster. I decided on using Redragon Milky Yellows because 1, they are cheap, and 2, they have a good reputation for being a deep sounding switch. I decided to lube the switches with THOCK 205 grade 0, and all the materials I used will be in the link below. The thing about lubing your own switches is that it takes a while. I had 75 switches and it takes me 15 minutes to lube 5 of them. So in theory, it would take me 6 hours to lube all of them, which is insane because that's a whole day of work. I didn't really want to do it, but I had dedication and I wanted this keyboard to sound super good. So I sat down and just did it. It wasn't fun. I can't believe I wasted my whole day lubing freaking switches. Anyway, I put the switches back in the keyboard and I put on the keycap so I could do a sound test. Disclaimer, I got 2 different sets of keycaps. The first one I tried is the one that you're going to see in this first sound test. They really don't look that good, and I didn't like how they felt, and so I switched them out later. Yeah, that's the disclaimer. Because the stabilizers sounded so bad, I decided to mod them. So I did clip them, and I lubed the stabilizers with THOCK 205 grade 0, and I also lubed the wire with dielectric grease and balanced the wire so it didn't tick as much. And here's the sound test before and after the mods on the stabilizers. I actually saw these keycaps on Hippotech's channel a year ago, but they were quite expensive. But while I was researching for double shot PPT keycaps on Amazon, they showed up, but at a reasonable price. They were probably rip-off keycaps, but I didn't care, so when they came, I was surprised at the quality and the print. The print was crisp, and the keycap was actually quite thick, if you know what I mean. Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised by the quality of the keycaps, and they really fit the aesthetic of the build. And finally, I was finished and ready for the sound test. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe and like. Bye.